Hi everyone, welcome to Fluent with Nicole. Today we are going to talk about the Double Ninth Festival. To get started, I'll read you a short journal entry and then we'll pick out 10 useful vocabulary words to focus on. Let's begin. 今日係重陽節，我同屋企人朝早8點出發去行山。登高係重陽節其中一個習俗，我預料咗今日沿途會見到好多人行山，但係我冇諗到會係咁多人，畢竟今日唔係週末。落山之後，我哋去菊花展覽。展覽場地佈置得好靚，擺滿咗唔同顏色同品種嘅菊花，有常見嘅黃色同白色，都有罕見嘅藍色品種。因為重陽節係喺農曆9月初9，數字嘅9同長久嘅久係諧音，所以重陽節都叫老人節。我哋之後去咗老人院做義工，我哋煮飯俾老人家食。重陽節除咗係一個傳統節日，佢都提醒我哋要關心長輩，唔好等到失去先至後悔。The keywords you'll be learning in this lesson are 重陽節、出發、習俗、展覽、常見、罕見、諧音、長輩、做義工、後悔。Now let's go through the keywords from the journal. First, 重陽節。重陽節。This is the word for the Double Ninth Festival. Here's a sample sentence. 重陽節又叫老人節。Double Ninth Festival is also known as Seniors' Day. Second, 出發。出發。It means to set out. 我哋朝早8點出發去行山。We set out at 8 a.m. to go hiking. Next, 習俗。習俗 which means custom. 登高係重陽節其中一個習俗。Hiking to a high place is one of the customs of the Double Ninth Festival. Now let's look at 展覽。展覽 The word for exhibition. 市中心有一個菊 花展覽 There's a chrysanthemum exhibition in the city center. Next up is 常見 常見 meaning commonly seen. 黃色嘅菊花係最常見嘅品種。Yellow chrysanthemums are the most common variety. After that, we have 罕見罕見 meaning rare. 呢個展覽有罕見嘅藍色菊花。This exhibition has rare blue chrysanthemums. Moving on to 諧音諧音 which means homophone. 數字嘅九同長久嘅久係諧音。The number 9 and the word for long-lasting share the same sound. Next, 長輩長輩 The word for elder. 我哋要多啲陪伴長輩，表示尊重同關心。We should spend more time with our elders to show respect and care. Now let's look at 做義工做義工which means to volunteer. 我哋去咗老人院做義工。We went to a nursing home to do volunteer work. Finally, we have 後悔後悔 meaning to regret. 我哋要多啲陪伴家人，唔好等到失去先至後悔。We should spend more time with our family and not wait until we lose them to feel regret. Let's quickly review the vocabulary we covered today. Please repeat after me. 重陽節Double Night Festival. 出發 to set out. 習俗 custom. 展覽 exhibition. 常見 commonly seen. 罕見 rare. 諧音homophone. 長輩 elder. 做義工 to volunteer. 後悔 to regret. Alright, it's quiz time. Let's see how much you have learned today. I'll describe a phrase and you'll try to guess it. Think about it for a moment and I will review the answer. Let's begin with 農曆9月初9係咩節日? What festival is on the 9th day of the 9th lunar month? The answer is 重陽節 Double Night Festival. Second question. 呢個係指離開屋企開始行程. This refers to leaving home to begin a journey. The answer is 出發 to set out. Third question. 呢個係指世代相傳嘅習慣. This refers to a tradition passed down through generations. The answer is 習俗 custom. Let's try this one. 呢個係指公開陳列物品並且喺特定時間內俾人參觀嘅活動。This refers to an event where items are publicly displayed and open for people to visit within a certain period of time. The answer is 展覽 exhibition. Here's another one. 呢個係指啲事物或者現象經常睇到。This refers to certain things or phenomena that are often seen. The answer is 常見 commonly seen. Next. 呢個係常見嘅反義詞。This is the opposite of commonly seen. The answer is 罕見 rare. Now let's try this one. 呢個係指有啲詞語嘅讀音相同或者相近。This refers to words that have the same or similar pronunciation. The answer is 諧音 homophone. Let's keep going. 呢個係指輩份較高同年齡較大嘅人。This refers to a person of higher seniority and older age. The answer is 長輩 elder. Up next. 呢個係你提供服務俾他人，但係不求報酬。This means you provide service to others without asking for payment. The answer is 做義工 to volunteer. Final question. 呢個係指過去冇做或者做錯嘅事感到懊惱。This refers to remorse you have for something you didn't do in the past or something you did wrong. The answer is 後悔 to regret. That's it for today's lesson. Don't forget to check the description for the downloadable notes so that you can study all the vocabulary we learned today. Thanks for tuning in and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!